tuseka nabo olwekisa tukabana nabo tubamanyi butabagamba bayuda tuyita nabo.
Muraho neza, amakuru yawe. We are here in San Antonio today. I will show you some things in Del Barrio de San Antonio, in the neighborhood of San Antonio. Neighborhood in Kinyarwanda, it's called Mudugudu. So here is Muri Mudugudu. I will teach you a new word today. Last time we learned inshuti. Inshuti, as you remember, is friend. Inshuti ihangane, I was teaching you in the previous lesson. You can say ndagukumbuye. Ndagukumbuye means I miss you. So ndagukumbuye cyane, inshuti. Tumeza neza, everybody is well. We have palm trees, so that's the best. Okay, so here we have Mexican food, Iberico, Mu Mexic. Let's point the cactus, fried cactus. Can you show them? Fried cactus, huh? Yeah, this one is fried cactus. What is it called? Egg, and it's like an omelette.
Romero.
Okay, beans, and then
Bacon.
Bacon. Okay. And then this one is called caldo. It's a soup. It has fish and shrimp. Fish, I forgot the name.
Te vi pasar.
Camarones. Caldo de camarón.
Yeah, caldo de camarones aquí is finished.
Entrano. De México.
Así nos quedan los platos después de que comemos esta deliciosa comida. Después de que acabamos, con la lengua limpiamos todo el plato. Y después que hacemos eso, lo ponemos en display para que vuelva a ser usado.
Muy bien, gracias.
Gracias.
Bayuda tuyita nabo balala tuseka nabo olwekisa tukabana nabo tubamanyi butabagamba bayuda tuyita nabo balala tuseka nabo olwekisa tukabana nabo tubamanyi butabagamba kiruma nga goyita mukwano gwo enaku yagikuda essanyu obadde omwesiga.
Ándale, ¿cómo es?
Que se vaya. Aquí en este restaurante le venden huevos de toro, de hueso de toro. Ya todo guisadito con sal, entera o pedacito.